Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to change notification sound on iPhone for Instagram. So when you go over to your settings and we're going to scroll down to where we have our apps and then we're going to search for Instagram, you can tap on it, and then when you tap on notifications, there isn't any option to change a specific notification sound for Instagram. You might have been searching for this, but we're hoping to get an update where you need to change a notification sound for a specific app. If you'd like to go to Instagram notification settings, you will not see it there. So if you'd like to really change the notification sound for Instagram, that means you'll need to change it for other apps. In order to do this, you can go back to apps, go back again to your settings, and then you'll need to scroll to where you have sounds and haptics. Tap on it, and here you can change the general sound of your notifications right here. So for now, until the iPhone makes an update where you can change specific sounds to your specific apps, this is where you can actually change the notification sound, in this case for Instagram.